Hello?
Hello, who's this? Hi, who's this?
Hey, lady.
This is my phone.
Are you pretty? You sound pretty, lady.
Excuse me?
Ed, are you pretty? You sound pretty, lady.
Thanks.
No, I'm special. That's what my mom says.
You what?
I'm gonna have my birthday party at the theater. Yay!
Yay!
You wanna go to the movies with me?
No.
I saw Air Bud. Do you show Air Bud?
No.
Yay! You show Air Bud.
Hello?
Hey, lady. Do you have a discount for special people?
What?
Do you have a discount for special people?
I can't hear what you're saying. You guys are calling Harpo's right now, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Nice.
Yay!
Congratulations.
I like you, lady.
Hey, you're doing great.
Yeah, you sound like my mommy.
Alright, goodbye.
Do you have a discount for special people?
Hello?
Hey, lady.
Can I ask you a couple questions, sir? Do you know any slow or special people?
Excuse me?
Do you know any slow or special people?
Do I like slow or special people?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yay!
I'm gonna have my birthday party at the theater. Yay!
I know
You wanna go to the movies with me?
I know you.
Do you show Air Bud?
Do you hide out in the woods behind my house?
No!
This is important.
No!
Hello?
Hi, who's this? Hello, who's this?
This is Harpo's, payphone.
My name is Ed.
Do you have a discount for special people?
What?
No, I'm special. That's what my mom says.
Gotta go. It rang. Why the hell are you using this right now? It rang, so I answered it. Who is this?
My name is
Why do you know us?
Ed!
Hi, this is Ed.
What's up, my nigga?
Hey, lady. Do you have a discount for special people?
Hello?
Hey, lady.
Hey, baby.
Hello, who's this? Hi, who's this?
This is Kylie.
My name is Ed. Are you pretty? You sound pretty, lady.
Hey. Huh?
Hi, you sound pretty, lady.
You want them to see?
Do you have a discount for special people?
Lady, you don't sound like you're in a good mood. Do you have a baby coming or something?
No, I don't want a baby.
I got mail, yay!
I got mail. Yay! Yay!
Hey, let's say!
I got mail, I got mail, I got... Yay!
Hey!
Yay!